Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 15 Pro, main camera dust cleaning. Let's get started.
Seven eight 70.
Now we are disassembling the phone. Now remove the necessary flex cables from the motherboard. Removing the rear camera. You are viewing a microscopic view. Apply heat through a hot gun to disassemble the metal cover. Now disassembling the lens from image sensor. After detachment of image sensor and lens, we found a dust on lens. Cleaning the dust. Assembling sensor and lens. Assembling camera.
Yes, perfect.
Checking the camera. And that's it. You've successfully removed the iPhone 15 Pro camera dust. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.